This is my Dell mouse, and it has an issue where it double clicks when I press it once. Can't see the model number, but you'll see it says Dell on it. You might own this model Dell mouse, but basically, if I press it once, it might double click. So I just pressed it once, and now it's highlighted this text because it double clicked. So it's kind of random. One thing I noticed is when I press the far left, it doesn't double click. But if I press normally, it might double click like this. It might double click. You see over here it's highlighted the text because it's double clicked. I was planning to open it up, but there was another thing that I noticed is, so if I press and hold it and let go, it doesn't double click. So if I press the left mouse button and let go, it doesn't double click. So press and hold and let go, it doesn't double click. Press and hold, it doesn't double click. So since I can get it to not double click, it's usable, and I've been using it like this. I actually have another mouse. I was going to use a Lenovo mouse. Need to grab it downstairs, but so that's my mouse problem. If you know how to fix it, let me know. I just haven't had time to open this up and do a tear down or whatever. It's like someone said, just spend $5 on a new mouse. I just don't go out that often, and I was searching on Amazon and I couldn't find a decent one for $5. I'm cheap. So again, if I press and hold and let go, it doesn't double click. But if I press it normally, it might double click. If I press to the far left, it doesn't double click. So that's my story.